All right, this is Unit 5, Lesson 3. Remember that we're not doing altitudes in here. Example 1, use a centroid to help you solve the problem. First of all, I'm going to write down what's special about medians. So, you've got 3 medians in a triangle. Splits the sides that they hit into 2 congruent pieces. So let's say that that is our centroid. So giving some letters up here, and we'll say point G is the centroid, okay? So the special property is this. So in red, I know that I'm focusing on median AD, this whole thing. I know that AG from the vertex to the centroid is equal to 2/3 the length of this entire median, which is AD. From that can help me solve anything I really want to know about a median, because I can set up this equation. And it works for every single median. So the 2/3 is going to stay, and those letters will change based on what median you're talking about. So, looking at this problem. It says in triangle RST, Q is the centroid and SQ is equal to 8. I need to find 2 things here. QW and SW. Well, the only thing I've got to go off of is 2/3. So let's see if it helps me out. So looking at this median right here, okay, I can say that, well, SQ, so from the vertex to the centroid, is equal to 2/3 the length of the entire median, which is SW. So then what I got? SQ is 8, equal to 2/3 of, well, SW is one of the things I'm looking for. I'm going to use X for my variable. Cranking up some algebra to solve this, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/2, the reciprocal of 2/3, in order to get rid of it. Doing some reduction first, 2 will go into 2 once, 2 will go into 8 4 times. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Remember that that X is standing in place of SW, so that's 12. This last one, that one's pretty simple to do right here. I know that the whole thing, this whole median is 12. This piece is 8. I just subtract to find the difference, and that's going to leave me with QW. So doing 12 minus 8 is going to give me 4. Okay. The next one I'm going to skip. I don't know if we ever did this one in class or not. I can't remember. I'm just going to skip it for now. I want to work some more centroid problems, because that's our main focus whenever it comes to medians. So I want to do this one right here. I've got one triangle. They tell me that G is a centroid, so immediately, and using your OMG for this, you need to associate centroid with median. So the first one, it says if BG is 9, so I'm focusing on this median right here. So I know if from B to G is 9, they want me to find out, what is BF? Well, again, I'm reverting back to the only thing I really know here. I know that BG is equal to 2/3 the length of this entire median, which is BF. And I think this is going to help me get what I want. BG, they told me, was 9, equal to 2/3 of BF. We'll let X represent that. Again, multiplying by the reciprocal. Get rid of the 2/3. And this leaves me with 27/2. Or the answer choice may be 13.5. So, I know that BF 27/2. Don't worry if your answer is ugly or a fraction. It's okay. The next one is BD is 12, find AD. Okay. Again, this goes back to your definition of the median. So if I look at this median, it slams into this side of my triangle right here, cuts it in half. So if BD is 12, I also know that AD is 12. Next, extend the page a little bit. I'm looking at a different median this time. They tell me that GC is what I need to find. They tell me CD is 27. So this entire median length is 27, And this is what they want to know. Well, again, I think I'm going to set up another equation involving 2/3. I know that GC is equal to, so from the vertex to the centroid, is equal to 2/3 the length of this entire median, which is CD. Doing some algebra, GC is going to be equal to 2/3. I know what CD is, it's 27. Put that over 1 and multiply. Can do some reducing first. 3 are going to 3 once. 3 are going to 27 9 times. And I'm just dividing those out when I do it. And then 2 times 9 is going to give me 18. Alright, so there's some examples of some centroid problems. And you'll have to do similar things to this on Wednesday.